Alright, I'm on the corner of Highway 73. This is the storm that we're going to be running into as of right now. See, it's getting pretty blue that way. But we'll keep you updated as we get going, but I thought I'd stop and just update you. This is Highway 73. We're heading towards NEKOOSA. Next stop will be NEKOOSA. Keep you updated, Wayne.
By 5:30 p.m.
This is a storm that we're heading into and chasing right now, so...
At Stevens Point by 6:15 p.m. Plainfield by 6:20 p.m. Stevens by 6:30 p.m. Gusty showers.
Alright, we're on 73 North, heading towards NEKOOSA right now. As you can see, it's getting more darker, so we're getting more into the storm. This is Wayne with WGWI News Storm Spotting Team. This is Highway 73 North, heading towards NEKOOSA. As you can see ahead, we have a storm ahead of us. Right now, what I've heard on the weather radio is saying pea-sized hail, 40 to 50 mile an hour winds, but we'll keep you updated as soon as we get a report. This is Wayne with WGWI News reporting.